everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'll be showing you how I do this barrel twist lock style. So if you like to see how it's done, keep on watching. So I'm going to be doing two sections. I'm not going to be doing my entire head because this is just for demonstration purposes. So before I go into the barrel twist, I'm going to be retwisting the section that I'm going to be barrel twisting, and I sprayed that part with water, so I'm not retwisting it dry. Now it's a light retwist. It's not a tight full retwist. It's a light retwist because I'll be pulling my hair into a style. So it's a light retwist. Now, if you want to do this style without retwisting your hair, you can go ahead and do that, but it's not going to look very neat. So I prefer twisting the section that I'm going to be barrel twisting. So it will look really neat, nice, and presentable. When you don't retwist, it's just going to look really messy. You're not going to see the parts very well or the barrel twist very well. So I would suggest retwisting the section that you're going to be doing the barrel twist on.
Then dip me underway. You can fill my mind for flow, hold me till I scream forever. And wash me over until my will runs dry. Send all your sins all over me, baby, baby.
So first you're going to start by two-strand twisting the first two locks in the front, and then as you go you're going to pick up from each side. So I'm picking up from this side first. I'm wrapping it around the ones that I just two-strand twist. I'm wrapping it around twice, making sure that I hold it back, and then I'm going to the other side and I'm picking up a lock and wrapping it on the same lock that I just picked up the other one from. So you're going to be rotating sides. So you're going to go from one side, wrap it around, then pick up from the other side and wrap it around, and that's how you get that little barrel twist effect. So that is it, guys. That is all to doing this barrel twist. If you enjoyed this video, give it a big old thumbs up. And if you're not subscribed already, guys, click that subscribe button. And I will see you guys in my next video.